Place an upright onto a protected floor. Do not fit the foot to the upright like this, as it will not be strong enough and make the shelving unstable. Instead, ensure the foot's square peg and top hook is placed into the upright securely. Using a rubber mallet, tap the end foot to firmly secure it. Ensure the bottom of the upright and the foot's edges are level. Using the 14mm spanner, unscrew each levelling screw. Continue until they're adjusted out by around 2 cm. Repeat this process with the second leg and foot, and ask a helper to hold them in place. Take a back panel and fix it to the uprights. Ensure the hooks point downwards and fully clip them into place. Position the shelving into its final location, and using a spirit level, you will need to ensure the bay is aligned correctly. Using the 14mm spanner, adjust the feet until the uprights are level. Repeat the process for the other upright and foot. Just a note of caution, ensure both are high enough to easily attach the front kick plinth. Do not fit the plinth yet. Now that the bay is level, you can attach the remaining back panels. Slide the kick plinth into the groove at the front of each foot. Angle the base shelf into its place, ensuring the lip fits into the foot's groove and the shelf is firmly in place. Now install the shelf brackets. Ensure all brackets are the same side of the hole and are mounted closest to the middle of the bay. The brackets can be fitted straight or at an angle should you wish to include a slanting shelf. Add each shelf, ensuring the lip goes over the top of each bracket. Finally, add a ticket strip to each shelf. The clear plastic front should open at the top. Once you've clipped the ticket strips to each shelf, your wall bay is completed. You can adjust the shelves at different heights, and there are a range of EPOS colours available. You can also add further wall bays to the one you've just built. You only require one additional upright and foot when adding extra bays. As you've installed the shelf bracket to the inner side of the first bay's upright, you can continue to add further shelves on the inner side of the additional uprights. The additional base shelving fit alongside the initial bays and form a continuous, seamless shelf.